Hello everybody. See, today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you multiplication of three large numbers. But you see, already I have taught you this topic, and I have made part 1, part 2 and part 3, and I have discussed with you all the cases on this chapter. But today's video is very different because now you see here, this is a multiplication of three large numbers with. What is different in this video is that in this video you will find it is a combination. Okay, it is a combination of some different tricks. See, these are totally new different tricks for you which I have not discussed with you ever in any one of my video. But if you will see my today's video, you will find that how I am going to teach you. Now you look at this question I have written here. Now you see, if you look at this question very carefully, so what is here is, see, you have to look at the base. First you have to look at the base. And what is the base here? See, this is 99,972 multiplied by 99,978 multiplied by 99,899. Now what is the base here? See, base here is 1 lakh. Okay, see, base here is 1 lakh. So if you will subtract this 99,972 from 1 lakh, so what will you get here? Okay, this. See, this is very important. So I am showing you that this is very important. This 28 is very important because I have to use double trick. See, not only my regular tricks on multiplication, but I am using some different trick today. Now you see, I have subtracted this portion. Next what I have to subtract from 1 lakh? 1 lakh is here. So from 1 lakh, next number is 99,978. So if I will subtract it, so what will I get here? Now you look at these two numbers. After the subtraction, I have got two numbers. Look at these two numbers. I got here 22 and I got here 28. And one more number which I am going to take with you. See, up now I have to subtract from 1 lakh the last number. So 99,899. See, these numbers are very important in here. Okay? Now see, what is important here? This 22 is important. Next, what is important here? This 28 is important. What is important here? This 101 is important. Now you see what I have to do. I have to use the tricks for this 22, 28 and 101. And this is so interesting. This is so interesting. If you look at this question itself, see, you will take a lots of time in competitive exams. You will take a lots of time, definitely. But you look at the important numbers I have written here. These numbers are very important. Very important. These numbers have some importance. Okay. So at first you just look at the circles I have made. I have written important. So just pause your video, look at the numbers, why I have written important. Now you see here, you got these two numbers 28 and 22. Already I made the circles. Now you see, you will not use here traditional method of multiplication. Okay, the trick I am going to tell you here. Trick. Okay, this trick I have not used as yet. So what is the trick here, and what is important here in this question is, in this question you see 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, you see 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. And now you look at first two numbers. First two numbers are same. Okay, see, first two numbers are same. This is important. Okay, see, the trick which I am going to apply in this question, to apply this trick, one thing is very important. You have to check. You have to check these last numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10 and first two numbers are same. If I will give you some other examples. If I say 3 and 6, 4. Now you see, what is important here is 6 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 and first two numbers are same. Like here see, 8 plus 2 is 10 here, but in this question, if you will take this question, 6 plus 4 will be 10 and starting two numbers will be same. If I tell you some other example, like you can say 7, then 9, 1. Look at this example. If you have to multiply 79 by 71, you look here, what is the trick? Trick is 9 plus 1. Because 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10 and starting two numbers are same. See, don't feel afraid of this question. Don't. Right now I am just explaining you a lots of trick. Okay, in one question only I am going to tell you a lots of tricks, so it is taking time. But when you will learn these tricks and you will try the question on your own after learning all the tricks, you will just find it so easy, so easy. If I will do it all together, you will not be able to understand. Okay, see, I have to use only 28 multiplied by 22. But what is this? This is why I am using this trick here. I have done all this explanation. Okay, you will not use all this in this question. This is not of your use in this question, but this is the trick. This is my different trick which you should know to do other questions. Always you will see, always you will not get the same question. You may get different questions. Okay, you will get different questions. You will have to use different tricks. Not only one trick, not only one question. The question will be the same. The question will be different. So I have explained you what is the trick here. Okay. Now you look here. You, in this question you have to do the multiplication of this. Okay. So here you can see, the sum of last two numbers is 10. So how will you do this? You will multiply last two numbers. Last two numbers are 8 and 2. Okay. And all of you know 8 2s are 16. So you will write down 16 here. Okay. Now next step, what you will do? See, look at these two numbers 2 and 2. Okay. So what will you do here? Plus 1. You will write down this plus 1. Where will you add this 1? In this 2. In this 2 you will add 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. Okay. Then you will get here 3. Okay. 3 you will get here. So 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. This is your answer. If I tell you some other question. Okay. If I tell you 76 multiplied by 74. You look here. 6 4s is 24. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 7s are 56. This is the example I am giving you. If I tell you 34 30 Okay, in this question also, see last two numbers, sum of last two numbers is 10. So you will put a semicircle like this. So now 7 3s is 21. 21. Then what will you do? 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 3s is 12. Okay, so like this tricks works like this. So now I have told you how this trick works. Okay, you can try some other question also. You can say 46 multiplied by 44. Okay, here also numbers are same and last sum of last two numbers is 10. So like this you can take, like, see, 19 multiplied by 11. Look at this number. Look at this question. Sum of last two numbers, 9 plus 1 is 10 and starting first two numbers are same. So like this the trick will work. Okay. Now you look here. I have told you how to solve this portion and I have written here separately. So I am going to rub this now. Now you look here what I have done. See, if you will subtract this 99,972 from 1 lakh, you will get here minus 28. Then 99,978 minus 1 lakh will be equal to minus 22. Then 99,899 minus 1 lakh will be equal to minus 101. अब you see, I have told you the trick to multiply 28 and 22 and I have written here. Now next you see what you have to do here. You have to multiply this 616 with 101. Okay, so how will you do that? See, 616 multiplied by 101. There is a condition attached to this. See, this is 3-digit number. Okay, now I am going to multiply a 3-digit number with 101. Okay, multiplication of a 3-digit number. So I should write here 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 101. So if you have to multiply, you will not multiply this with traditional method. What will you do? First you write down the number itself. Done? Then you see when you have written the number, then what will you do here? What is the first number here? See, this is 3-digit number, but what is the first number here? First number here is 6. So add 6. So what will you get here? Basically you have to multiply 616 by 101, but I am going to tell you the Vedic maths trick that how can you multiply a 3-digit number with 101. First you look at the number. This is 616. Now you add your first number with this and you look at the number. What are the last two numbers here? 16. Okay, this 16 is the last two numbers. So you will write down this 16 here. And now you are able to solve it. Your question is solved. So I am going to write down here. What have you got? 616 multiplied by 101. You got 62216. Okay, see, this is what you have got. Look here. What I have done here, multiplication of a 3-digit number with 101. How will you solve multiplication of 3-digit number with 101? I have told you. You can try some other questions also. Now, if the number is not a 3-digit number, I am going to tell you that trick also in this question itself. You can try as many questions here. Okay. Now you see, if I am going to tell you 73 multiplied by 101. Look at this question. This is not 3-digit. This is 2-digit. Okay. 2-digit number. So what you have to do here, you have to write down the number twice. 7373. You can try some other questions. If I tell you 69 multiplied by 101. See, these are 2 digits. Okay. 2 digits. You see, these are the 2 digits number. So what will you do here? You will will write down the number twice. 6969. Okay. Another example I am taking with you. If I say you 554 multiplied by 101. So what will you do? You will write down 54 two times. Okay. 5454. So you look at this question. While doing only a single question, I have told you so many tricks. Okay. Each and every question is different. Each and every question is different, and you see, you are learning Vedic maths. And Vedic maths is a number of lots of tricks, and you will use all these tricks in competitive exams. Nobody solves the questions in competitive exams through this traditional method. And don't feel afraid of this. Don't feel. Why? Because if you have planned to give some competitive exams, to crack it, you should know a lots of tricks. There are so many tricks and so many questions that you definitely have to learn. So why not today? You see, I have told you multiplication of 101 by 3-digit number. Like this, you can try as many as 3-digit numbers. Okay. Like this, you can try as many as 2-digit numbers. Now you see, I have rubbed all the tricks. Okay. But when you have to solve this, you have to do the multiplication of 28, 22 and 101. So here in the last, I have just written this. Now how will it be useful to you? You know कि when you have to solve this, what you have to do here, you have to find out here A slash B slash C. Now to find out the value of C, how can you find out the value of C? C is equals to, you see, these are the differences you have got. So you have to multiply all this. Minus 28 multiplied by minus 22 multiplied by minus 101. And okay, see, minus 28 into 22. What you have got here? 616. So you write down 616. Okay. And minus into minus is plus. So now you see, this I have written here. Okay. And in bracket now minus 101. Now you see 616 multiplied by 101. I have already told you and I have written here. What is the answer here? That will be equal to 62216. But here this is plus, this is minus. So write down here minus. Now you see here, I am going to write down the value of C here. Okay. Your C is equal to minus 62216. This is the value of C. Okay. Now you see, you have to find out the value of B. How will you find out the value of B? First you see what is the multiplier here. Here the multiplier. Okay. As you see, 1 lakh is the base now. I told you 1 lakh is the base. So first number is the multiplier. Multiplier is 1. Okay. Why multiplier is 1? Because base is 1 lakh. So from 1 lakh 1. Okay. That is why multiplier here is 1. So you have to write down here 1. Okay. Now how will you find out the value of B? See, now you have to multiply two terms. First two terms. What are the first two terms? Minus 28 multiplied by minus 22 plus. What are the next two terms? See, minus 22 multiplied by minus 101 plus. What are the next two terms? This minus 101 multiplied by minus 28. Now this is not at all difficult, not at all. Why? Because this work you have done here. I have not rubbed it, okay? See, I have not rubbed it because this is what you will use in whole of your question. This I have not rubbed from here. 28 multiplied by 22 you have solved here itself. So, I am going to write down here this, okay? When you will multiply 28 with 22, you will get this. So, I have written this here, okay? Now, see, minus into minus will be plus. Now 22 multiplied by 101. See, I have told you the trick. I have told you the trick. This is a 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number, and when you have to multiply a 2-digit number by 101, you will write down the number twice. See, 22 is the number now. So, I told you write down the number 2 times. First, one time I have written here, and second time I am writing. Okay, only in your mind. This is just in your mind. Now minus into minus is plus. Now again see 2-digit number. 28 is a 2-digit number multiplied by 101. So again in your mind, what will you do? Write down this number twice. What is the number? Number is 28. One time I have written 28, and now again you will write down the same. See, this is so easy. You look at this question. This is not at all difficult. Not at all. Only the thing is, I have used so many tricks. All the tricks. I have used the multiplication of 2-digit number by 101, multiplication of 3-digit number by 101, and one other trick, 28 multiplied by 22. See, if you will try only these questions, if you will try these tricks separately, don't do first this question. Don't do first this question. My suggestion is first you try these tricks. Like this, I have told you some other examples also. You can try this trick. This is your trick number 1. This is your first trick, okay? This is your second trick. This is your second trick, okay? And here also this is your third trick. Okay, you first what you have to do is first you try these tricks separately, okay? Don't do the question. First don't do this full question. Try these question separate tricks on some separate page, and then when it will be convenient for you to use these tricks, then you try this question. Now you see, now what you have to do, you have to simply do the additions which I have already done for you, and I am going to write down here, okay? When you will add all this, what will you get here? You will get here 5, 6, 6, 6, okay? This will you get. When you will solve the B portion, you will get here this, okay? 5666. So the value of B is 5666. I am going to rub all this, and I am going to write down the value of B only. Look here. Here I have written separately the value of C. Here I have written the value of B. Now you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, now what is the multiplier here? Already you know that 1 is the multiplier. So write down the square of your multiplier, then in bracket. Now you see, here I am taking this last number to take. See, I have to make my calculation easy. Why we are learning Vedic maths? Because in our mind we have to think how can we make our calculation easy. You look at the 3 differences, minus 28, minus 22 and 101. First, if you will look at these 2 differences, 28 plus 22, okay, minus 28 plus minus 22 will be equal to minus 50, okay. so it will be easy for you to subtract. So I am taking here, see what I am doing here, 99,899. Now minus, see I have written this, so I will not write down this minus 101. Okay, I will not write down this minus 101. What are the two numbers left? Minus 28 and minus 22. So here the remaining two numbers, I will write down here minus 28 and here I am going to write down minus 22. Okay. See, I have done this to make, if I am taking this last number, okay, if I am taking this last number, so I will take these two numbers, the deficit. You see, before doing this question, if you are just watching my this part, you see my other parts also which I have done on the same topic, because in this I have used a lots of tricks and this is a bit difficult also. So don't try to do this question on the first attempt. First, if you want to learn this, you learn my other videos. Okay, only then you will be able to understand it properly. If you want to understand this properly, first you try, see my other parts, part 1, 2 and 3 on the same topic which I have made. And if you will not do that, you will find it very difficult. And whatever I am telling you, if you will follow my instructions, you will find it so easy for yourself, you will feel happy with that. Okay, now you see what will you get here. Now see, 28 minus 22 is equals to minus 50. You can do this calculation in your mind itself. Okay, in your mind now, 99,899 minus 50. So what will you get here? 9. Okay, now see here 9, then 9 minus 5 is 4, then 8, then 99. You will get this, and you have to do this in your mind itself. Okay, when you will subtract this, you will get this. Now this is the value of A. I am going to write down the value of A also. Now see, here is the value of C, this is the value of B, this is the value of A. And basically in this question, what you have to do, you have to do the balancing A slash B slash C. Now you have to simply put the values. What is the value of C? Value of C is 6, 1 here, 2, 2, 6, and this is in minus. Okay, what is the value of B? 6, 6, 6, 5. Okay, what is the value of A? Here this is 9, 4, 8, 9, 9. You look here carefully. You have to just put the values. Now, when you have done this, okay, now you have to do the balancing. And how will you do the balancing? I am going to rub all this, and now see, this is what you have got. And now I am going to rub all this. You have to do only, look here carefully first. All the portions I have solved. Only this I have to do, and this is called the balancing. So I am going to rub all this to do balancing. See, now you have to find out A slash B slash C, and I have written all the values here. Now you see this C is in negative. Okay, you have to convert negative value into positive. So how will you do that? See how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so up to make it positive, what will you do? You will borrow 1 from here. This is the B part. So from B part you will borrow 1. Okay, when you will borrow 1, you will write down here 1. Now how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. write down here 5. And you see in base also. Look here, I have written here base. In base you have to check how many zeros are there. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are here. So you will write down 5 zeros here and you will borrow 1 from here. Why? Because you have got this negative number and now you have to make it positive. Okay, now you subtract this. Okay, 6, 1, then 2, 2, 6. You have to just subtract this. Okay. Okay. See, I have subtracted this and this I have got. So I will write down this positive. Now I have got the positive number. So in place of this negative number, what will I write down? I will write down this positive number. My positive number is, okay, 37,784. Now slash, see here, this is 5,666. But what I have done here, I have borrowed 1 from here and minus 1. What is 5,666 minus 1? That will be equal to 5,665. Okay, that I am writing here slash. Now this number I am going to write down as it is. Okay. Now you see, if you think this is your final answer, no, this is not your final answer. Again, this is very important. You see all my previous videos also on this topic itself. Okay, my part 1, 2 and 3 on this topic itself. Now here one thing which is very important. You see, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have 5 digits. Here you have 5 zeros. Look at this portion B. In B portion, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if this is 4, first 5 digits are here. So, I am going to write down these 5 digits as it is. Okay. Slash. These are the 4 digits. But I will not write 4 digits. I will make it 5. How? See. 5, 6, 6, 5. This is the number. I will just put a 0 before this. Okay. Then slash, then 99,849. And now you just remove all these slash. So 99849. Now you have to write down all these together. Then 0, 5, 6, 6, 5, 3, 7, 7, 8, 4. And this is your answer. You look at this question carefully. Look at this question very carefully. This is not difficult at all. Not at all. Again, I have to say you, this is very easy. This is very easy. See, this is a very easy question. This is not difficult at all. Only the thing is that you have to learn lots of tricks in this question. While doing this question, you have to learn lots of tricks, and separately I have told you all the tricks. I have not left any trick. I could make a video on these tricks separately also, but while doing this question only, I have told you all the tricks in details. I have not done like I have not told you in details. I have told all the tricks in details. You try all the different tricks. Take some other questions like multiplication of a 2-digit number by 101, multiplication of 3-digit number by 101, and then multiplication of the numbers when starting two numbers are same and the sum of last two numbers are 0. I am going to write down here what you have to practice. Okay. And see, this question is solved. This question is solved, but I am going to write down here what other tricks you have to practice before this doing this question. I'm going to write down so you practice that. See what I have written. What are the other things you have to multiply while doing these questions? Multiplication of two-digit numbers by 101. See, 24 is a two-digit number, 37 is a two-digit number, 89 is a two-digit number, 62 is. So, how will you write down? You have to write down the number two times. This is 24 only. 24. Again repeat the same number. Okay, this is solved. 37, write down 37. Again write down the same number. This is solved. 89, write down 89 again. This is solved. 62, 62, write down 62 again. This is solved. See, this is how you have to use this simple trick. See, still, your second trick I have used here is you have to multiply two-digit number by 101. So I have written here some of the examples. Now I want to show you how can you do. See, first is this 674 multiplied by 101. So I told you what you have to do here. Write down this 674. Okay, and here what is the first number? First number here is 6. So this 6 is the first number, so you have to add this. Okay, you got this. Now what you have to do here is you look at the last two numbers here. What are the last two numbers? 7, 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Now you look at the next part. Okay, 281 multiplied by 101. So how will you solve it? First, what will you do here? You look here. 281 है, then plus you have to add first number here. First number here is this 2, so you add this 2. So this will be equal to 283. Okay, now 283 here you have got, and you see what are the last two numbers here. This 81 is the last two numbers. Okay, so when you will multiply 674 by 101, you will get this. Okay, and when you will multiply 281 by 101, I have told you here how you have to do that. You will get this like this. Some other examples also I have written here, and these are not only the examples. You can try any number. 596 multiplied by 101. Okay, see, basically what did I want to tell you? You have to practice. First, you just see this video. Then after that, you try multiplication of two-digit number by 101. Then you look here, you try multiplication of this three digits number into 101. Then you have to try the multiplication of the numbers when starting two numbers are same. I'm going to write down here that also. Okay, see, to make it convenient for you, I have written here the heading. What you have to do, you have to now do the multiplication of numbers. What is the condition? The condition is when the first two numbers are the same. You see how is it same? 6, 6 and 8, 2. Look at this question. If you have to multiply, this condition is satisfied here. First two numbers are same. Okay, and what is the another condition here? And I have written here and the sum of n numbers is equal to 10. You see, 8 plus 2 is 10. You solve it with my trick. Okay, and some other examples I am taking with you. 3, 3. Okay, starting numbers are same. Now you see here, if I am writing here 73. Okay, you have to multiply this. See, sum of 7 plus 3 is 10 and starting two numbers are same. How will you solve it? Okay, how will you solve it? Wait, first you put a mark like this. 7 3s are, all of you know, is 21. Okay, 21, and what will you do here? 3 plus 1 in your mind. See, this you have to do in your mind. Okay, you have to do this work in your mind. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 3s is 12. Like this, you can try other examples. If I say you 4 4 9 1. Okay, this is important. Now you see, I have written this deliberately. This is very important. If you will not look at this last part, your full question will be wrong. Full question will be wrong. Why? You see, you have to multiply the last two numbers. Okay, you see, 9 ones is 9. Okay, but you will not write here single digit. Okay, you try this, you try all the numbers here. Okay, you will not write here single digit because you are multiplying two digit numbers. So here 9 ones is 9, but you will write down here 09. This is very important. See, if you will not do this, your full question will be wrong. All your efforts will be in waste. Don't ignore. See, again I am repeating, because these are two digits number. Although 9 ones is 9, but you will not write here 9. In place of 9, you will write down here only 09. Okay, now in your mind, what will you do? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 fours is 20. So basically, I had done only one question. You see, this will make the video also lengthy. I have done only one question, but in one question I have told you so many tricks, and you try all the tricks separately. First, don't try this question. First, try the other tricks which you have to use while doing this question. Okay, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel, and before doing this question, you have to definitely see my other parts, because this question, otherwise you will not be able to understand properly. Thanks.